Hello. A friend of mine will be making a couple of tent stakes, and I thought I'd record it so y'all can see how I make tent stakes. Start off a piece of 3/8 square stock. This is about 13.5 inches long. I did bevel all the corners of the two cuts. No sharp edges to hurt me later on. I'll bring it up to heat and make my first bend. Okay. Start my bend in my pritchel hole. And I'll bring it over like that. Got me bend like this. And I'm going to let this cool natural. Okay, do the second one. Same way. Start my bend. Bring it on over. Make sure it's pretty well flat. As I started to say before I cut myself off, I'm not going to quench this end. I want to keep it cool, soft. So I'll let it cool till the color goes out up, then I'll quench it and I'll work on the other side. Okay, got it interrupted there. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put me a sharp point right on the end. And I'm going to draw my taper out a little longer. So I got a graceful taper there, keep it straight. Now this end I will quench, because I want it, if we get a little harder it will help, because it's got to drive through rock. Okay, I started with 13.5 inches of stock. What I come out with is a 12-inch tent stake, plus or minus a 1/4 inch. Hope that helped, or you enjoyed it a little bit. And got any questions, just ask in the comments. I'll try to answer them. Y'all have a good day.